So if you are a fresher and want to come into the field of data analytics, or if you are experienced and want to switch your domain to data analytics, so make sure to subscribe this channel because here we do not bring only job notification but also upgrade your skills. Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing good. So today we have a job opportunity for the business analyst for the fresher and those who are having 1 year of experience in the company AdaptMind. So Adaptive Mind is basically a AI ML based e-commerce company which is specialized in the active learning and deep learning. It is basically a recently established company. It is funded by some big VC in US and Europe. So if you want to go through more about the company, you can visit to the website. Now coming to the roles and responsibility of the business analyst. So they are seeking for a dynamic and insightful business analyst who can seamlessly bridge the gap between the business challenges and the technical solutions. So if you have done your graduation in the technical field and if you are skilled on Excel, SQL, Power BI, you will be going to eligible for this role. You must have strong ability to analyze data, identify trends, patterns, and generate insight. You must be familiar with the data analysis tool like Excel, SQL, Power BI, Azure tools. You must have ability to demonstrate the complex problem and also finding their solution. You must have excellent verbal and written communication skills. Or if you have any kind of experience in the e-commerce company or your background is from the e-commerce company, you will get more preference. You must have a strong decision making skills, or if you are having a good knowledge of Python or the knowledge on CEO, you will get more preference. So here basically you have to analyze the complex data set using Python to provide actionable insights. Here you have to translate complex business problems into clear actionable technical requirements by using analytical thinking to devise innovation solution that can address both immediate and long-term challenges. Here you have to go beyond the traditional analysis to include recommendation for the process, improvement and strategies. Here you have to assist in managing projects from inception to completion and also ensuring timely project delivery. Here you have to think creatively and push boundaries of traditional business analysis. Here you have to work closely with the cross-functional team to understand the data needs and provide solution. So this is all about the roles and responsibility of the business analyst at AdaptMind. And if you want any detail or having any question, just comment below. I will be more than happy to answer them. And for more such videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel.